Let me ask you a personal question. Are you a giver or a taker? Now, a giver is someone that just always give before they ask and take anything, let it be a relationship or in business. Now, takers, from day one, they ask right away before they even provide and give additional value or information to anyone else. Now, it doesn't matter if it's a relationship or business. Give or take is very important. And I believe that giving is more powerful than taking. Because if you first establish a relationship, let's say an email subscriber, you actually give a lot of value, you give a lot of content, you give a lot of advice first, you will be immediately positioned as an authority. You will be someone that people will continue to listen to. However, you are a taker. What happens is that you, from day one, before you even provide your value, you're asking right away, you're taking from them right away, then what's gonna happen is that for you to build a relationship with them afterwards, it's going to be very rough. It's kind of like in a relationship. When you first actually go out on a date, you don't take right away. You will do everything to give, to impress, so that you can go on the second date, and so on and so forth. Now, you need to remind yourself about this when you're running a business, especially if you're running an email marketing business. A lot of times, anyone that is starting out to actually build an email list, the first thing that they do is to ask the person to buy something. Now, nothing wrong with that. However, it's not going to be a sustainable model. Because if you, from day one interaction, you ask them to buy something right away, then the person will actually treat you more of a stranger, and they will only be in a position of what's in it for me if I buy. However, if you give first by providing content and providing value, they will actually put you as an authority and say, the things that I'm learning from this person, or the things that I get, the advice that I get is already amazing. I can't wait to actually see what it is inside if I actually spend money now that he's asking for it. So remind yourself, when you are building a business, especially if you're building an email marketing business, try to impress your subscriber first. Give first. Give content, give value, give everything that you can to win that subscriber, and then you ask and take from them afterwards. That's how you build a long-term, sustainable email marketing business. Because after all, email marketing is all about relationship building. You're watching this video because we established a relationship. And from there on, we can continue to nurture the relationship. And this is exactly what you wanted to do with every email subscriber that is subscribing to your email list. Give them a ton of value. Give first and take later. Now comment below if you are a giver or a taker.